Hey guys, Holly Rilinger here. Let's talk about foam rolling. What is it and why should you do it? Foam rolling is a form of self-massage. Fascia is the connective tissue that runs from our head all the way down to our toes. It connects our muscles, our tendons, our ligaments. From time to time, we get adhesions in this fascia, and we experience something called referred pain. When we foam roll, we can move through those adhesions, and you can move properly, and you can move pain-free. I'm gonna show you a few foam rolling exercises to keep you healthy. So let's go straight into our IT bends. Our IT bends run all the way from our hip, all the way down to our knee. So this is how we'll set ourselves up. You wanna put that foam roller right above your knee, and you wanna foam roll all the way up to your hip here. Now you can take this front foot and sort of monitor that pressure. If you find a place that's a little bit more tender, spend a little bit more time on it. All right, let's move to the glutes. When you're foam rolling your glutes, that big muscle back here, your booty, I want you to sit on one side here, right? You can kind of find that sweet spot in there. I want you to take that leg up the same side and cross it over your knee here. You'll find that spot, and I just want you to spend a little bit of time right there. It's a very short range of motion. Spending time on your glutes allows you to squat properly, gets you warmed up for lower body exercises. Now let's move to our upper back here, right? Most of us have a lot of back pain. We sit in desks a lot, right? We're on our phones, we're on our computers. So we want to foam roll all those muscles up the upper back. So you want to support your neck here. You want to get your hips up off the ground, and you want to foam roll that upper area. Those lower traps are going to get hit right there. Tilt from side to side to get a little bit more on the left, and then a little bit more on the right. So there are a ton of foam rolling exercises out there. These three will get you started though.